Today we are going to unboxing a new watch. So, as you might know, these white boxes usually come from either Rolex or Tudor. In this case, it's a Tudor. So let's have a look. What do we have here? So, we're also not just unboxing, we're also unstickering, which is really cool. This watch is completely with stickers. So what do we have? It is, ta-da-da-da, the new Meta certified Black Bay, Tudor Black Bay. The normal Black Bay, not the 58. And as you can see, it's still fully stickered with the clasp and the hang tag. Let me remove that first. If I can actually see this with the camera, my goodness, I hate hang tags. Gone. Right, so this is the watch, this is the clasp. Tudor does the same thing. Let me just switch off my watch, take off my watch. This is the Seiko Alpinist with a NATO strap, an elastic one. So let me see and put it on the wrist, even with the full stickers. So Tudor does the same thing as Grand Seiko. They apply the clasp in a way that you can read the details, but the end of the strap is pointing towards you rather than away from you, which all the other brands are usually doing. So that's quite interesting to see that. It's I can see the appeal. It looks cleaner from the outside when people look at your wrist, and it looks a bit uncleaner for yourself, which is, well, what can you do? At least you can see and read the clasp and the logo. Clasp is PVD coated metal, like the crown as well as the bezel. Feels good though, I must say. Now let me see and remove all of the different stickers here. So first of all, this one, that's the display. It's very nice, I really like it. And then we have stickers on the side, I think. Yeah, there's one here. If I can manage to get this off, that would be lovely. There we go. And gone is this one. And then we have another one here. Nice. Ooh, that is really stealthy. Stealthy black. If you hear the tippy-tappy around here, that's my dog, who is also very interested in this watch, but can't reach the watch here at the moment. So you see the rose logo here. We see in black the Tudor logo and Tudor Genève written on the 12 o'clock, and then here on 6 o'clock you have Master, what does it say here? Black Bay Master Chronometer. That's all it says, rather than the whole amount of text that you have, for example, on the Pelagos, where you have 5 lines of text. This is very, very subtle and also tone and tone, so you really don't see it much. It's a very stealthy looking watch. And you have a bit less of the big slab on the side. So this is a slimmer case, but overall the watch is still as thick as the normal Black Bay, maybe even a bit thicker. You see, because of the display case back, it's like a millimeter top onto bigger there, but I think the side is smaller. I really like the polished beveling here, which is really nice. That is really lovely. Chamfering here on the side, really nice. And of course the whole super stealthy, let me push it this way, super stealthy looking movement in black. Very nice. Good thing is that I don't have to worry about scratching the case here with the clasp, because ceramic is harder than metal. Yeah, it looks nice. This is an interesting band as well. It's rubber, covered with some Alcantara or microfiber on the top. It's a nice texture to it. Looks good. The keepers are strangely super big, same as with the Black Bay 58 silver, which only has one keeper and a super wide one. which always gets off. And now let me put this watch on without all of the stickers. Over here. And I'm already like in the last hole of this, or second to last hole. So this strap is not as long as the one from the Black Bay 58 925, the silver version, which is good. And it has two keepers, which is much better, but both are very, very loose. As you can see, there's a lot of play in here. So yeah, that is it on the wrist. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, standard bezel action, has not much play, a bit of back play there. It's not entirely, yeah, not 100%, but close. So let me find, there's the top. Yeah, that's aligned, perfect. There we go. And let's see what else is in the box. So in the box we have the international warranty card. I don't show you the back because I want to keep my serial number for myself. This is NFC enabled. You can put it on an Android phone that has an NFC switched on, and it shows you the results of the Meta's test results, the test procedures, and you see that the same way you see it on the Omega. If you register your Omega watch, if you have a Meta certified one, you see it there as well. But this is just without any registration, entering serial numbers or anything like that. You just tap it on your phone and then it pops up. I have not figured out how that works with iPhones though, so that's something I have to figure out. But with Android phones, it's really easy. You just tap it and it works. What else you have? The COSC chronometer certification booklet, which just outlines everything in a couple of languages. A user manual, which is pretty easy. It's a 3-hander, time only. That's it here. On the back, we have the second complimentary strap that comes with the watch, which is a very nice woven one with the integrated sorry, I'm missing a word for the spring bars, the integrated spring bars, there we go, and the nice PVD coated Tudor clasp. So it's pretty nice, and it's really, you can feel it's very good quality. It's a bit stiff, but it really is woven with the finest fabric, so you can see this little frailing there, which also happens over time, but this just adds a bit of softness over time to the strap, and makes it look a bit used and, you know, rugged and cool. So that's a nice strap as well, and you can't complain. Usually these are $200, $300, so not cheap. Good to have them free of charge in the package. So basically that's it. That's the not so interesting box. I got mine in this nice coffin as well, which was really nice, and it was fully stickered, as you have seen while I was unboxing it. So what else can I say? So that's basically it here. Taking the watch away a bit. See here, there you go. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. See, maybe on the side, you see that it's not really very tall because of the. It actually pushes into your wrist a bit, thanks to the case back, and it then doesn't wear so tall. So it actually is one of the things that a lot of people have complained about with the normal Black Bays, that the big slap on the side just makes it look so big, and I think they fixed that. So not bad at all. Not bad. There you go. So that's good. See, this is basically pushing into your hand a bit, and then it looks slimmer than it actually is if you take the entire height of the watch. Yeah, so here we go. This is it. The Black Bay Meta certified master chronometer from Tudor. Thanks for watching, and see you again for the bronze Black Bay 58. Bye bye.